Once again, welcome to all. Now, try to complete question 7. Question number 7. Chalk contain calcium, carbon, and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. If in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 kg, what is the weight of the chalk in stick? Okay, firstly, read carefully the questions. Chalk contain calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Okay, suppose we can take any other object which is formed from three or four element. Similarly, chalk it is made from calcium, carbon, and oxygen, and their ratio are given 10, 3, and 12. Find the percentage of carbon in a chalk. Okay, we know that percentage means compared with respect to 100 and convert a ratio into percentage. Firstly, we can find out the total part of chalk. Means firstly we can calculate the total part of a chalk equal to 10 plus 3 plus 12. Then out of this given addition, we can calculate the percentage of carbon, that is 3, means that we can select 3 out of 10. Okay, we can select 3 out of 10, and we know that after we can multiply the numerator with 100 and use their symbols percentage. So that are the procedures to convert a ratio into percentage. So how can we convert a ratio into percentage? See here. So write the total part of the contents means chalk. Total part of chalk equal to, okay, what are the ratios? 10, 3, and 12. So right here 10 raised to 3 raised to 12, and their sum equal to 10 plus 3 plus 12 becomes 25. Okay, becomes 25. So firstly we can find out total part of a chalk, that is equal to 25, and 10 represent calcium, 3 represent the amount of carbon, and 12 represent the amount of, okay, calcium, carbon, and oxygen. 12 represent the percentage, the amount of oxygens, okay, available in a chalk. So after that we can find out their percentage. Okay, we know that how can we convert a given ratio into percentage. So firstly write the value of carbon, that becomes 3, and divided by total amount is equal to 25. So 3 into 100, and use the percentage, that is percentage. So after simplification, 3 into 25 forza 100, and symbol equal to, okay. So 12 percentage of carbon, 12% of carbon are available in chalk. Okay, a chalk is made from calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Okay, calcium, carbon, and oxygen, and out of this 25, total part is 25. Out of this 25, 3 represent the amount of carbon, 10 represent the amount of calcium, and 12 represent the amount of oxygen. So out of 25 we can find the percentage of carbon. Okay, how? So 3 by total into 100 equal to, into percentage equal to 12%. So we can say that the total amount, total percentage of carbon in a given mixture is 12%. That are the solution for first one from 7. Move to next one, B. What are given that if in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 kg, what is the weight of the chalk stick? Okay, if in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 kg. Okay, given that here 10 represent calcium, 3 represent carbon, and 12 represent oxygen. And if given that 10 kg means convert into 10 kg of calcium, 3 kg of carbon. So similarly 12 kg of oxygen. So what are the total amount of their content? What are the total uh, content that are used in forming a chalk stick? Okay, so we can say that their sum is equal to 25. Okay, their sum is equal to 10 plus 3 plus 12 equal to 25 kg. Okay, 25 kg. 25 represent the total amount. 25 represent the total amount, and from 25 kg only 3 kg are carbon, 12 kg are oxygen, and the 10 kg are calcium. Okay, so second answer are 25 kg. Okay, it is very easy. Why? Because so firstly in this question you can find out the total amount of carbon, total amount of calcium, and total amount of oxygen. Then they are sum equal to 25. And out of 25, what are the percentage of calcium, what are the percentage of carbon, what are the percentage of oxygen? But on our book given that the what are the percentage of only carbon. So carbon represent 3. 3 by 25 into 100 percentage are equal to 12 percentage of the carbons, and total amount equal to 25 kg. Okay, thanks for this video. If this video are really helpful for you, so you can share this video to your friend, so them are also help, them are also gain good marks in the exam. And you are new visitors in my videos, so please subscribe this channel, so and press the bell icon so you can getting the more video related to after uploading mine.